There is no substitute to being here live and seeing each other. And this is why it is so exciting to see people from all over the world coming here to celebrate with us. The legacy of what you see here and the legacy of the Hebrew University, which are really not separable. And you are part of that legacy.
The concept of partnership, of the brilliance of the teams here at the Hebrew University and the amazing things that they accomplish, but their need to partner with donors, with people like the people that we honor today. And it's intended to benefit the world and to enable the amazing things that go on here.
If we are what we are, the leading university in this country, to a large extent, it's because of wonderful people like you and the support you have given us throughout the years. Toda Rabba from the bottom of our hearts.
Listen up to what I got to say. Hebrew U is calling. Leave your legacy today.
The Senate of the Hebrew University has resolved to bestow upon you the degree of Doctor Philosophia honoris causa of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, and thereby confers upon you all the dignity and privileges pertaining to the degree of doctor.